Welcome to the Power BI program guide. In this tutorial, we will look at how to create a value stream map and how to create a data table. At this moment in my Power BI, I have a project set up called VSMX. I have one value, one SMED analysis, and a very simple process diagram here. And the process diagram is the first step you can create in value stream, the map. So draw a process diagram. Mine is very simple with two operations.
I'm going back to
Project and the side table, create VSM. Sends me here to this button, copy data from process map. So you can automatically load your process map. You will definitely use this function in your workshops. In the process map, you divide teams, draw a diagram, think about everything you will map. And at the start of mapping, you transfer the entire process diagram into the value stream map this way. The first thing you need to set up are the levels. Here on the bottom right is the closing field, which when you open it, you can call up the individual parts of the value stream map. At the moment, they are all empty because we don't have them filled. I'll keep them all closed and open only the data table, and we'll show how data is filled in. I will select edit on operation 1 and my data table will appear. The first part is processing time. Let's say that in our case, the processing time for the given operation is 67. Value added activities will take 20 seconds. Activities essential for added value will be 10 seconds, and therefore non-value added activities will be 30 seconds. So I have completed the basic data analysis and now move on to the auxiliary parameters. What is the number of work units? In my case, I had 2 work units, 2 saws that cut in operation 1. Setting up the saw takes 600 seconds. And I measured non-value added times of 400 seconds. What is the WIP at the workstation that is work in progress? I counted that I have 1020 units at the workstation, and in total, these are 4 production orders for me. Operation 1 was we do not differentiate between products from the VSM perspective. So this workstation is 100% available for us and there will be no loss. Number of operators at the workstation. We will have 2 workers in this case, and total losses can include all your wasteful activities, such as scraps, reworks, downtimes, micro downtimes, breakdowns, and so on. Let's say in our case, it's 5 whole 9%. You click save and the table is completed. The second way to get the data table for a given operation is to click on the workstation on the process block and pull out the completed analysis which you assign. In my case, I have completed air machine cycle, and I also have the setup analysis completed. So I will connect the setup analysis as well. You see that the data table is actually pre-filled, and what remains, I have to supply the numbers pieces. In our case, there are 24 pieces. There is one order. I have here 60% availability. This means that 40% of the products going through the operation lathe 2 will be doing something else. The number of operators here is 1, and the total losses measured at the workplace are 4.1%. I save. So you have 2 options for creating a data table: manual entry or automatic calculation from the value or semi analysis you already have in your project.